Anyways. What are you doing? I am so tired. Me too. You're so loud. Shh. The time is...
I could be louder.
12 something.
12:30.
Okay, but we can't see it.
Anyways.
Megan has a second strain of energy, even though we have to get up really early. You're gonna wake up everybody.
Trust me, I do other things and don't.
Probably not as loud as you are right now.
You're right, louder. SOS, don't have a second.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
It's true.
Kidding me. What are you doing?
I don't know. Ready?
You didn't catch it. Went somewhere down there.
As you're pressing. No! Sorry.
Just pick music off of my computer.
You know what? I don't care about your stupid computer. Oh, I just fucked it up.
Uh-huh.
Are we still videotaping?
Yes. Get your nose out of here.
How long is this video there?
I don't know. Until I feel like ending it.
It was doing good in the beginning.
Ooh, prettiness. Go pee then. So anyways, yeah, it's almost Mother's Day. I don't want to work Mother's Day, but I want the money. Yeah, I'm tired. I got makeup. Yeah. Oh, so this is Megan's picture of Nico that she drew. Pretty close. These are what she's been eating all night. And this is what happened.
They're almost gone.
Gee, I wonder why.
I know. I'm so fat.
Yeah, you're so fat. You're like a twig.
You know it's true.
Someone a little obsessed. Huh? Huh?
Oh,
Let's go, camera.
take that. Turn the stupid music.
Take that.
Let's go.
No, Mr. Ballsy. Wait, what about the music?
Turn it out, I can't hear it.
I don't want to wake everyone up.
Let's hear one more.
Being alone. I'll find someone new.
Get this out. I don't need to get the sound line.
For my love. to carry on again. Guitar solo.
And shopping cart, 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 and sprinkler. And reeling the fish, reeling the fish, reeling the fish. And I am the fish, I am the fish.
We're so random. Ooh, and trophies. Nice, very nice. How much?
Yeah, cheerleading bitches.
That she doesn't do.
Did too, bitch.
No, but she doesn't.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, so where's me? Here's my signature. Oh, yes. Let's see what else is about me on here. You may see these duckies before in some of our other films. And there's me. Fishies. Yep, our fishies. And this needs to get switched. And retag it. I don't know. So far it's been 6 minutes.
Okay, Stephanie, short is a little better. Because now it just has a bunch of random shit in it. Restart it.